Sorry if my mic is bad, but welcome to another video idea. Slash serious school idea because today I'm gonna challenge myself to perfect a calculus, a calculus worksheet. Now, if you remember from my writing AI generated video, you'll know that one of the subjects I love are math, science, and history. But I have a love and hate relationship with that because I'm not exactly smart on those three subjects, but I know things mostly from there. And especially in literature writing, well, not really coming up with ideas for writing, but overall the idea of it, I just like the idea of it. So I have a 50-50 love-hate relationship between math, science, and history. Today we're going to talk about math. So in my section we have three elective subjects. One is advanced physics, one is research 4, and one is trigonometry and calculus. But wait, I said 3. Why is there 4? Well, that trigonometry and calculus subject is actually one separate subject, as trigonometry is taught in the first and second quarter, and calculus is just taught in the third and fourth quarter. So, we're gonna tackle on calculus since we're on the third quarter period of our school schedule. So, what's our calculus lesson for today? Okay, hang on. I need to open the Facebook file in my laptop since I just have it in my phone. It should be sent here. This is my private server, by the way. So, I just download this and we'll start answering. I'm going to tackle on this one, logarithmic logarithmic log functions, basically logarithmic one. So our basis here is to convert exponential form to logarithmic form and vice versa. So I could just switch the two. And as you can see from this table, they're just the same except the places are switched. So the base still retains its first position since it's still here, but the exponent is pushed all the way to the third, and the exponent is on the middle now. As you can see, it's from the third, now it's on the second. As you can see, that's just 3 squared, which is 9. If we were to change that logarithmically, it's not even a word. Uh, we just add the word log for logarithmic, short for logarithmic, add the base, then add the answer that equals to the exponent, and then just add the exponent overall. So I'm gonna try answering this perfectly, and if this and if these are all correct, then I'm surprised. So yeah, I just really love math, but sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. So the first part is to express the following into logarithm. Okay, let's just say it as log form, arithmetic, log arithmetic, log. We're gonna express the exponential form to its log form. So our first question would be 8 raised to 2/3. That's fraction is equal to 4. I'm using tab to make spaces. So log 8 4 is equal to 2 over 3. By the way, I know you're asking what the hell is this notepad over here. It's just literary techniques, criticism techniques for English soon. And I think I'm gonna like this one as well. I already said I like literature stuff. Well, not literally literature, but overall how you interpret different literatures. And this is an example. So A5 equals B. Now, this one, there's a variable instead of numbers, but we can still treat that as the same. Log A, B. Okay, turn off spell check. 5, right? 2, yeah, okay. Now we get 10 raised to negative 2 would equal to an actual decimal. Okay, so log 10, then 0.1, and I will still retain the negative number because it's still here. It still appears if you were to switch it in log form. Now q raised to r equals n. It's the same as number two, similar to number two. So log q n is equal to r. And after that, it's the same, but the exponent, I mean, the answer is 4. So m raised to n, lowercase n, would equal to 4 log m 4 is equal to n. Now we're done with the log form. Now, the only thing we need to do is to express the following into exponential form. Now we just do the vice versa. We just reverse it. So again, let's take a look. Log 3, that's our base. This is the base. The middle number is the answer, and the third one is our exponent. Okay. There's a quantity of x minus 1. But I don't think that's gonna hinder me since it's already easy to identify. 6 log 3. The quantity of x minus 1 is equal to 2. I'm supposed to convert this into exponential form. So this 3 raised to x minus 1. No. Wrong. 3 raised to 2 is what I mean. Now it will equal to the quantity of x minus 1. I messed up on the quantity of x minus 1, but you have to always remember the middle number in the log form is the answer to the exponential form, to its exponential form. 7 log 2. Okay, this doesn't involve any quantity, whatever shit. So I can just say 2 is raised to 2 will be equal to 4. And I know that I'm making the answer correct because this is an already easy question if you were to know exponents. 2 squared, 2 raised to power 2 raised to 2, the power of 2. 2 times 2, 4. That's your answer. 8 log 10. 1000 equals 3. 10 cube 1000. Let's make sure I'm doing it right. 10 no, okay. 10 times 10. There you go, times 10. Oh, my mouse is too fast. 10 times 10 times 10. There you go, 1000. Okay. 9 log 6. Okay, it's essentially the same as number 8, so I can just say 6 raised to the power of 4 would equal to 1296. And for the last one, it's the same as number 6, but I don't think that's gonna render a problem for me. So log 5. Oh, then the quantity of x squared minus 3 is equal to x, which will be 5x 5x 5 raised to x would equal to x squared minus 3. I think I'm doing the right thing. 8 squared and 8 raised to 2/3 equals 4. We need to make sure that the first number of the log form will be the same as the exponent, and the exponent should be at the last, which is the answer now, and the answer will be in the middle number. So 8 is on the first, and then 2/3 would be on the last number now, and then 4 will just be in the middle. I'll wait for Frost to approve. So the only basis that the only life hack you should really do is whenever you're converting exponential to log form, then the order of the numbers or variable given will become this exponential. Let's just name it as 1, 2, 3. And if you're on the log form, then it will be 1, 3, 2. Yeah, the 2 and 3 are switched. So I talked to Frost. If you still don't know, he's my classmate since 8th grade. We're best friends. He confirmed to me that everything is correct, but there's an actual error. Not from my answers, but the actual worksheet. It had a typographical error. You see number 3, where it said 10 raised to negative 2, which equals, apparently equals to 0.1. It is actually incorrect because there is a missing zero. There's a missing zero. Therefore, the answer would be 0.01 and not 0.1, which makes the word file a stupidity. So, I got everything right, but the, but technically not because of this one. But I still technically got it right since it was written that way in the stupid word. So the correct answer for 10 raised to negative 2 is 0.01 and not 0.1. So my answer would be this then. So this, and to make sure that it is indeed equal to 0.01. Okay, how do you do this? I need a scientific quiz. Okay. 10. No. Okay. 10. Okay, no. So 10. And then I hold shift and press the 6 key, so that makes an exponent. Negative 2. See, the 0.01, that's what it said in decimal. If I convert it to fraction, 1 over 100, 0.01. Nakamali! Yes! Since every answer is correct, I am extremely proud. Prouding proud. Uh, Minus the fact that it says 10 raised to negative 2 is equal to 0.1.